Hello, and welcome to another Foxfire video in the video tutorial series. This video will be going over creating new employees inside the Foxfire software. Here is the employees screen inside the Foxfire software. Let's go to the top now and create a new employee. We'll click the plus sign. Now here's the create an employee screen. First we need to assign an employee ID. Let's assign that with 0001. Now we need to pick the first name for this user. Let's just use user. And now a last name. Now we want this employee to be an admin, so we'll select DC admin here. And then we want to assign him to every employee group. And that's it. We come to the top and click the check mark. And now this employee is added to our employees list. And that's it. Here's our new employee we created with employee ID 0001. The employee name is name user. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this video today, and we hope you stay tuned for other videos that might help you. Thanks!